Hey, English learners. Welcome back to Daily Sentence Practice. Today, we practice one useful sentence for a quick break. The situation is simple. You are a little hungry, and you buy something small. Maybe you are at school. Maybe you are at work. Maybe you are at a train station. We will use one sentence shape, and we will change only the subject. That means we change who did the action. Today's sentence is, I bought a snack at the vending machine. Listen one time first. I bought a snack at the vending machine. Good. Now say it slowly with me. I bought a snack at the vending machine. Nice. Let's say it in small pieces. I bought a snack at the vending machine. Now put it together. I bought a snack at the vending machine. Great. Say it again, a little more naturally. I bought a snack at the vending machine. Let's check the meaning. I bought means I paid money and got something. A snack is a small food. At the vending machine tells us the place. So, the full sentence means this. I paid for a small food from a vending machine. You can use this sentence after a short break. You can say it to a friend. You can say it when someone asks, "What did you get?" Keep the sentence simple. I bought a snack at the vending machine. Say the meaning sentence with me. I paid for a small food from a vending machine. Good. Now come back to the real sentence. I bought a snack at the vending machine. Now let's build the pattern. The pattern is, subject, bought a snack at the vending machine. The subject is the person. In our base sentence, the subject is I. I bought a snack at the vending machine. If the person changes, the beginning changes. But the rest of the sentence stays the same. Listen to the stable part. Bought a snack at the vending machine. Now add I. I bought a snack at the vending machine. This sentence uses bought. Bought is the past form of buy. We use it after the action is finished. You already bought the snack. Now you tell someone. Say the key action. Bought a snack. Say the place. At the vending machine. Full sentence again. I bought a snack at the vending machine. Now change one word. We will change the subject. Remember, the rest stays the same. Change the subject from I to he. He bought a snack at the vending machine. Good. Change the subject from he to she. She bought a snack at the vending machine. Change the subject from she to we. We bought a snack at the vending machine. Change the subject from we to they. They bought a snack at the vending machine. Nice control. The action stays the same. Let's use real people now. Change the subject from they to my coworker. My coworker bought a snack at the vending machine. Change the subject from my coworker to my sister. My sister bought a snack at the vending machine. Change the subject from my sister to the student. The student bought a snack at the vending machine. Change the subject from the student to our teacher. Our teacher bought a snack at the vending machine. Excellent. You changed only the subject. Let's do a quick, smooth round. I bought a snack at the vending machine. He bought a snack at the vending machine. She bought a snack at the vending machine. We bought a snack at the vending machine. They bought a snack at the vending machine. Mini quiz time. I will say a subject. You say the full sentence first. Prompt. He bought a snack at the vending machine. Good. Prompt. My sister. My sister bought a snack at the vending machine. Nice. Prompt. They bought a snack at the vending machine. Great. Prompt. Our teacher. Our teacher bought a snack at the vending machine. Last quiz prompt. We bought a snack at the vending machine. You are doing real sentence control now. Repeat after me, round. First, slow and clear. I bought a snack at the vending machine. He bought a snack at the vending machine. She bought a snack at the vending machine. My coworker bought a snack at the vending machine. Now, natural speed. I bought a snack at the vending machine. We bought a snack at the vending machine. They bought a snack at the vending machine. Our teacher bought a snack at the vending machine. Good. Your mouth is learning the shape. Now it is your turn. Think of one person. It can be I, he, she, we, they, or a person you know. I will leave a blank at the beginning. Blank bought a snack at the vending machine. Nice. Try another person. Blank bought a snack at the vending machine. Great. Now answer like a real conversation. What did you buy during your break? Your turn. Good. Now change the person. Who bought a snack at the vending machine? Your turn. Excellent speaking practice. Write one sentence in the comments using today's pattern. You can write, I bought a snack at the vending machine. Or change the subject and write, my friend bought a snack at the vending machine. Keep it simple. One sentence is perfect. Nice work today. You did it. Big practice energy today, and I will see you in the next practice. Bye for now.